Fuck! Shit! There's gotta be a fucking product that'll hold this shit without making it tip over. Ah, there it is. Mountain hatch. Cup holders. All four corners. Fits right here. Alright, let's get started. What is up, guys? It's Eric. We are going to be putting on the mountain hatch today, and we'll just go over a few basic things that you need to get this thing done. So, first things first, got to get yourself a drill. You're not going to be drilling with it, you're going to be screwing out the screws with it. Alright, you're going to be using a Torx bit. I believe it's a T30 Torx bit that you're going to need to take off the be able to take off the original OEM screws. Also, mountain hatch throws in screws to go into the tailgate itself. Alright, so now we're going to take out the screws. Now what you do, you take off your old plastic piece of crap, got the gear on it, take that stupid thing and you just get rid of it, then you take your mountain hatch, put it down, line up the screw holes, in the USA by the way, and then just so you guys know, these holes are pretty deep now. So that's why they include the hardware. Alright. The 1/4-inch socket that you need to screw these in. Alright, let's try this again. Much better. It's not tipping over. We got little cup holders. It's made in America. America. Mountain hatch. Beer approved. Okay, thanks for watching the install video for the mountain hatch. I will leave a link to their website and their Instagram. Check them out as well as their YouTube. Alright, see you guys next time.